morning! It's Friday. And it's already Friday. Ang taas na ng araw. Sorry. Ang tirik na ng araw. 6:30 pa lang. Tapos matirik na yung araw. Dumaan kami sa Teams. Dumaan kami sa Teams para magbili ng coffee and breakfast. And yeah, samahan niyo kami sa sama. And guys, tignan natin kung magkano yung gas today. Nagbabagang 199. Yes. So, it's already magpo-4 na ata eh. Nag-overtime lang ako today kasi marami pa rin kailangan tapusin sa mga ginagawa sa work for this week. I think 2 weeks ata yung yung forecast namin na mag-overtime kami dahil nga sa mga kailangan ayusin at saka ewan ko baka audit din. So nasa car tayo ngayon sa parking ng work ni Kim. Inaantay ko na lang siya, off siya ng 4 and then mamamasyal daw kami sa Yaletown. Ewan ko, titingnan natin kasi maganda ang araw, so gusto namin isama kayo guys. So okay, sige, antayin na muna natin si Kim. My God, ang ganda ng araw. Sana guys, na-appreciate nyo yung Vancouver gaya ng pag-appreciate namin sa kanya. Hindi lang namin na-appreciate yung taas ng presyo. But maganda pa rin naman. Vancouver. This is the museum. Yan.
Vancouver Art Gallery.
Oo nga pala, Vancouver Art Gallery. Yan. Oh, sorry guys, medyo Look at that. Yan naman na yung building na yan.
It's a high-rise residential building. And it's very, very expensive to live there.
True.
Okay, it's our turn. Our turn to shine.
In 200 meters, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Burrard Street.
Left 2 lanes. Hi guys, this is Granville Public Market.
That is right.
One of the biggest tourist spots in Vancouver that is a must go to whenever you're here.
Oo, ang daming tourism makikita nyo dito sa Granville Island.
Because of the shops and the foods and the market itself.
May mga iba-iba kayo mga makikitang pagkain dito na mga locally made and
locally sourced.
Totoo.
Fresh.
Medyo pricey nga lang siya, but it's
Yeah.
okay. It's very good.
We'll tour you around inside. They have so many type of beans.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, dapat pala nag-ano tayo, no? Guys, so,
Meat, fudge, chocolates, more meat. Oh, bagels. Yeah. Wala ata. Pasta. Wow, I like that. Roasted garlic. Tiramisu. Produce. And then
yung kabuuan.
doon pa tayo? Oh, Lee's. That's pretty famous. Oh, candy. Oh.
I think this one is good. You wanna
Masarap
try?
yung kinain natin kahapon.
I know.
Wow.
Diba it's all free?
Ha?
Free naman.
Yung kahapon? Oo. Not really. Ayun. Wow.
Or you want the
Ang ganda nito.
tuxedo?
Reverse tuxedo. Not really. No. Di ba ito yung binili mo na sabi mo masarap? Oh, meat nila. Feeling ko masarap yung meat dito.
I'll probably buy the New York chocolate cheesecake and the creme brulee. You wanna try it? Because it's cheesecake, so.
Maarte siya ngayon, guys. Nag-i-English siya. $9 for 6. Mga tea. Tea na hindi bubble tea. Para siyang library. Cool.
So yeah, so I set a basic 3-minute timer for it, but we don't actually have to just let it steep for only 3 minutes. You can leave it in for longer. Just that 3 minutes at least, just to get the flavor out. Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Very popular and it's very light.
Yeah.
So it's very hard to find blue butterfly loose in the first place. Like we do carry it, but not many places do. You can see it turn a light blue. Right, so like it turns this very nice shade of sky blue, and I do really like the aesthetic to it.
Yeah.
So would you like me?
I got the butterfly blue. Is it butterfly blue? Blue.
Butterfly
No.
latte.
Blue butterfly latte.
Butterfly tea latte.
Yeah. It's actually blue. Which is pretty cool. Some fruits. Oh, ito daw. Itong pine berries. Apparently it tastes like pineapples.
Really?
Yeah.
Is
but
it rare?
it's $14. But it tastes like pineapples apparently.
Yeah, so compared to regular strawberries, it's just $6 per
Yeah.
pound. This one is $15.
More fruits. Ito, masarap tong i-roast. Ayan, oh. Akala ko what's that, like lanzones? It's just
Smoke.
no, they have here. Some seafood.
Look at that mushroom. Oh, tingnan mo.
Oh yeah. Very nice. Ayan. Diba? Let's go outside. Let's have our tea. Aww.
Ako, bus pala ang name ng fair.
Oh.
You wanna sit down?
Yeah.
The water or?
Yeah, near the water is nice. Ah, look at that puppy.
Oh, sorry.
I'm so sorry. Okay. Maganda pumunta dito ng weekday kasi
Wala masyadong tao.
wala masyadong tao, may parking. Puppy! Usually, maraming line sa Lee's kasi famous siya na
Donut.
na donut place. Yan. Oh, shoot. Ganda ng araw. May coffee sikat.
Because coffee is life. May luto pala dito. Dapat pala tumaya tayo ng luto. Everywhere talaga may luto.
True. Mga dried flowers. Niña Rayos, if you're watching. I'm feeling.
Mahilig sila sa ganyan.
That's a restaurant, Bridges. And yeah. Pag summer, maraming tao dito kasi may mga buskers na nagpo-perform. Saan tayo? Saan? Doon?
Sige pwede. Para may
So you can sit here.
Okay, look. Ito yung binili natin.
Ano binili mo?
Bumili tayo ng creme brulee and then yung chocolate cheesecake.
Oh, let's try it. That's our view while eating. This is my tea. It looks like jello. Oh my god. Get away from us. Get away from us. Sarap.
Walang maalo.
So this one, it tastes like, oh my god. That's embarrassing. This one tastes like simbahan.
Ano ba ang taste ng simbahan?
Taste ng sampagita.
Let's try the cheesecake. Sige, kunin mo yan.
It's good. I like it.
Para magamit mo yung box.
Wow! Sobrang sarap. Guys, abangan niyo pala yung part 2 ng namin ni Kim, ng vlog namin ni Kim kasi sasakay tayo ng boat. But habang kinakain namin to, iniisip namin ano pa bang pwede namin gawin at saka nakita namin yung ferry kaya mag-ferry tayo, guys. Sinabi ko ba na cheesecake to? Yeah, that's a chocolate cheesecake. Ang sarap niya. Medyo hard yung taas at saka soft yung gitna. Mura lang siya, $4 and it's so good.
Kaya guys, that's it. Abangan nyo yung next vlog namin, part 2.